It's your boy Crypto Millie back with another one. So I guess we got to do the recap. I'm just start doing these recap videos of the live streams because not much news on the front, but we know that the FOMC meeting is tomorrow. I did find some hopium on the chart chat, and I got to show you guys. So this is the others chart right here. The others chart, I would say like the 50-day moving average and 21 moving average is like it's really doesn't matter because like with this chart it's a lot of volatility, a lot of shit coins and stuff like that. So just keep that into perspective. Kind of like, let's not even focus here on the moving averages. Let me take that off. So the point here is me just showing you guys what happened last time we hit this trend line here. And what I did was I just forecasted us because of the next liquidity wave that we do have into crypto coming. I mean, that is happening. You got to assume that crypto's going to bounce, right? And that's why short term I could see us doing more of a sideways action than a going up for a top maybe sometime in Q4, right? This is just me taking this right here, and all I did was just move it because you can see it, the very similar chop where we chopped for 91 days, right? We chopped and this was after altcoins went up, right? Altcoins went up from June 2023 to March 2024. We seen AI coins, and then we seen the Pepe meme coin run. That was this kind of like wave here. It was AI, gaming, Pepe meme coin run here, right? And then things kind of like slowed down, right, going into the halving cycle, kind of like of a top, right, because we ran out of news, and of course pump fund came in. We seen a huge like dilution of these small caps and shit coins, because again, this is the others chart. But what I'm pointing out here is that we had this little area where we went sideways. We didn't necessarily go down, but we went sideways from July 2024 until October 2024, where when everybody was saying October was doom and gloom, and then we had October, which was the AI agent run, where we had nothing but AI agents and stuff like that run. So now a lot of that stuff has sold off again, and we're right here at the trend line, right? And you want to kind of like hold this trend line, because if we don't hold this trend line, things could get really ugly for the coins that's considered low cap, micro cap, that fall under kind of like the others category, right? So with that being said, what I would like to see, right, because of the uncertainty in the market, or what I say, what's a good chance of this happening? Well, we go sideways for about 90 days, which is 3 months, right? Excuse me, I had to yawn. Didn't know that was coming. But we go sideways for 90 days, which is about 3 months, which would put us in the whole like sell in May, go away. Everybody sells in May, go away. Things get quiet. And this is when real pain happens, because we can possibly have a move to the upside, which coincides with my motto, which says that we top out around Q4. All right, this is the hopium chart, in my opinion, right? In my opinion. So as far as the indicators, what you want to see is at least the stock RSI here giving us a cross on the others chart. The problem is that the stock market is showing a lot of weakness, right? And it's kind of like combating with the idea that we're having a lot of liquidity. This next wave of liquidity will go into the stock market. So it's like, from a psychological standpoint, maybe the market is dipping and they're pulling down the market, anticipating this next wave of liquidity where they can buy these stocks and cryptocurrencies for low, right? Can't really say we got a stock RSI cross, but we are like in peak bearish zone, which means like the RSI is completely like flatlined, right? And last time it was flatlined here, like right around here. And you can see we still held the trend line. So while the stock RSI is flatlined like this, I would like to see us hold this trend line. If we do break this trend line, again, things could get ugly. Things could get ugly specifically for micro caps and low caps, because crypto is already a illiquid market, right? It means like these market caps are insanely overvalued and we don't have much liquidity in the market. So I'm just hoping that this next wave of liquidity pushes us higher and we can sit back and be talking about Bitcoin back above 100K and headed to 120, which would be very, very bullish for altcoins. Very, very bullish for altcoins, because now people feel like they can make money in crypto, and you'll see a lot of green bubbles, which would make people buy into crypto. Now, I also was thinking about the whole concept of no altcoin season. And, you know, I thought about the token that the guy asked me right when the live ended. They was like, did you hear about BMT, which is Bubble Maps token, which I didn't even know that Bubble Maps had a token. And this is a perfect example how this altcoin cycle has been, right? Just like random stuff launching in these tokens. Like some of them have a good launch and they do really well. Like this went from 40 million to almost $150 million market cap. Now, no one's talking about it. But this is what I was saying. If you're always at your computer or you're always locked in, even you can miss these, right? Because that's how random these coins have been pumping and popping it within this altcoin cycle. So I understand why people say they feel like altcoin season never happened. Yeah, I debate it. Yeah, I argue it, but I understand it because, like, if you're in the, you know, if you're not plugged into the matrix, you live in real life, you at your job, you're not gonna randomly catch a Bubble Maps launch or a random meme coin launch or utility launch, right? You're forced to hold these top 100 coins, and a lot of top 100 coins did not pump. That's just the honest truth about the situation. So it's just so much random coins, man. It's just so much random coins, and it's so much more harder where things where even when I came into crypto a little bit more concentrated, where you can point out a low cap and like, okay, that's a good low cap, that's a good mid cap. But now it's just, oh, that's a good meme coin. But now it's just so many. It's just so many. Right? So FOMC meeting tomorrow. We got liquidity coming in. We need stocks to show some type of sign, right? We need the stocks to show some type of sign. We don't need them to dump tomorrow if Powell says anything, right? Hopefully this is just like a pre-dump because they know Powell is going to say something bullish, and a pre-dump so people can get good bags, right? In a pre-dump so they can shake out the weak hands and the elites can come in and buy some pretty nice bags, because there's no way for stuff like Tesla and, you know, these things to be getting, you know, wrecked. Like they getting cooked right now, right? And if the stock market getting cooked, come on, guys, the crypto market is going to get cooked too. It just is what it is, right? It is what it is. So once this starts, these things start performing again, we'll get our next leg up. We'll just have to be patient. The whole point of the video and the themes of my video lately have been survive and accumulate, hustle, double time, increase your work ethic, go harder, do what you need to do to make even more capital come in so you can patiently pick your spots within this market. It's your boy Crypto Millie. We'll see what happens at the FOMC meeting. I'll see y'all in the next one.